Yo guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing the shop tour. Right now I'm in my 10 by 12 little overflow shed and I'll show you kind of my little process that I got going on. So let me do that real quick. Alright, so this is all my overflow. These are all wrenches that I'm hanging on to just in case somebody needs them or something of that nature. So that's kind of like the process that I'm doing. This little green military file cabinet that I picked up a couple of months ago, I'm putting sockets in them, some Herbrands, some Mustang with a ratchet, New Britain, a couple of Snap-ons, Protos. So I mean that's just kind of what I'm getting at right now. Here's Husky, got a bunch of the old school Husky, a couple of Bonnies, you know. Excuse me. I trash picked this dresser, and basically what I do, I just, you know, whenever I find something that's pretty cool, I like throw it in there, and that's kind of what I got going on there. Some extra toolboxes, they're all loaded down with tools. I got those stack crates. That one happens to be my son's toolbox sitting on top, but I got stuff in that one. I got Dimaloy, Utica, and channel lock in there, and a bunch of other stuff. So show you what it looks like from the outside. Nothing really spectacular, but hey, you know what? I mean, it's my overflow shed, so I mean, what else could it look like, you know? Excuse me while I take a sip. It's first hot day of the year. So that's my overflow. I'm gonna close this place up and then we'll take a trip over to my my actual workshop. So hang on a minute. Alrighty guys, well this is it. This is the shop. Welcome to it. Glad you guys can hang out here with me and check it out. So as you can see this way, this is the northwest facing section. This is 20 feet long by 12 feet wide. It's not very big. It's my shop. I'll take you a little walk around. Let me get a sip of adult beverage. Alright, so let me start right here. This is my Craftsman toolbox. I should have probably cleaned it, straightened some stuff out beforehand. Channel locks, vice grips, screwdrivers aplenty. This is my Crowder collection. It's coming along pretty good. This is all ratchets and extensions, sockets, wrenches, and it just keeps going. This is my Craftsman M series hammers and my Petey Pablo hammer. These are all my Crowders down bottom. Oh, sorry. These are all my Crowders down bottom. Over here, up there, that's only the ones that I have room on the magnets for. The rest of them are in toolboxes in the little shop. Some S wrenches that I got up there. There's a Robinson, Bemis and Cole, and that beautiful Crowder that Mr. John Fix sent me. This is my large Crowders. I only got 2 of those. Got a couple of them sitting in there and a couple there. That's metric. This is standard. Couple of wrenches up there. That one's the Booz wrench. It's the Billings wrench that I blinged out. There's the hacksaw that Mr. Big Vic got me. He sent that to me, cleaned up nice. This is my little workstation. You guys have seen this 1,000 times. It's in every damn video. This is my bench vise. I'm just using a Hollins now. I've got a bunch of them. I took the Wilton out because I started messing it up and I didn't want to trash it too much, so I put the Hollins in its place. There's some more I got and a couple more over in the little shop. It's my alligator wrench. Then I got the, oh, you're not supposed to see that. I got the anvil vise. These are my J.H. Williams adjustables, 12 through 4. Proto what? Oh, they're just Proto. These are my Protos, 12 through 4. I'll be putting my international tools right here below the Dawn vise and my Raid that I finished out. But that's where the little international section is going to go. That's my crate tools. I still got a couple more. This is my charging station. I know it's a cluttered up mess right now, but I only use one charger and I keep rotating out the batteries, so as of now it's not terrible. This is my sanding station. It's a combination sander. I got the 1x30. Got a little mini drill press. Got the beer fridge. A couple of them in there. That's all drill bits in that Hoot drill index, and then I got some punches up top along with my little pig right in the corn. Bunch of hardware there. Come over this way. Again, it's the vices. It's my Grizzly table saw and my outfeed table. I'm working on the Craftsman mower. You can't see it right now. I have it covered with a sheet. Then looking this way, there's my grinding station. It's working out pretty good. I did take y'all's advice. I've got a surge protector on there with one cord, and I just leave it plugged in, and this has got a 20-foot lead on it, so I can wheel it around wherever I want. The stereo, which is usually on, unless I'm filming. I got Cleophas up there that Mr. John Fix gave me. I got the little Acme anvil that Mr. James Shed Shop gave me. And then my my little bling bit holder. Here's the boys up there. They're always watching over the shop. There's my spray paints. I got more up top. Whole thing's completely full of spray paint and steel wool and hardware. In this cabinet I got my ultrasonic cleaner and then some fishing reels and stuff that I haven't gotten to yet. Over this side I got my little heater. I got two of those letter stamps. And this side, I don't know what's, oh, I got veneers up there. It's my whisk collection. It's my glue station, my chemical cabinet. I got dowel storage back there. Here is my Delta Milwaukee bandsaw that I still haven't restored yet, but I will eventually get to it. I got a forge that I got to restore. Another project underneath there. Here's my 1979 Grizzly. It's my joiner. Probably going to be cleaning that up and selling it. I just don't use it like I used to. There's spoke shaves, hatchets, axes. This is my Bonnie section or spud wrenches and stuff. Perfect handles. It's all the stuff that I've restored. You guys didn't see basically any of my hand planes, just because I restored those before I even started with my channel. My Stanley stuff. And then this is all just restorations. I'm sure y'all have seen, or if you haven't, you can go and check out the videos. My diamond caulk collection, coming along fairly nice. Quite happy with that. That's just tapes and stuff that I threw there, but diamond caulk. Yost vise, I got to pull that dynamic jaw out and redo the slide on there. The wind blows right past this roller door, and the moisture just got on there bad. So I got to do something about that. There's my Wilton Bullet. It's my favorite little Yost right there, the 103. I love that thing. My clamp section down here. Again, some more hardware if I need it. Big Vic gave me that Bama sign, so got that hanging up there. Let me get you set up here. Try and get you set up. Oh. It's facing this way now. Rearrange the camera. Up top I have my wood storage. Get a view up there for you. I put that little loft in after everything was said and done because I wanted my my wood storage to be up top, which unfortunately I'm not doing a lot of wood projects right now, but I think I'll definitely be getting back into it here in the near future. Underneath of this cabinet right here is I've got a couple of drill indexes, a bunch of screws, I got chisels, tap and die set, Forstner bits. I got a whole bunch of stuff in there. They're all in their own cases. This side here is all saw blades, circular saws, stuff of that nature. The bin right next to the chop saw, that's all shop rags. And then I have a bin right down bottom here. So this is my shop rags and stuff. This brown box is completely full of Williams, and this SK box is completely full of SK. Both of those things I can't even pick up, they're too damn heavy. But this is restoration projects for the future. So that's where I just keep my think about them. That's what I call them. Steel plate for a project. Oh, I know what I can show you. Spin you around here right quick. Alright, so this drawer right here, this is basically my grinding station. I've got a couple hundred flap discs in there, grinding wheels, wire wheels, all sorts of stuff. This is my sanding station. I got some orbital sanders, DA sanders, again some bigger wire wheels, you know, some homemade jobber dues, stuff of that nature. Sandpaper out the yin yang. I got sandpaper in the dresser drawer too, or the desk. Belt sander, 7-inch grinder discs. It's for those bigger projects. This is my air tools. Got the whole gamut of air tools. I got a little pancake compressor down bottom, and then I have my large compressor right over here. This is a oscillating tool and jigsaw and some extra belts for the combination sander. Down bottom is my routers and bits. It's all there. And again, my beer fridge. Well, it's not much of a shop tour, but I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you enjoyed it. Something a little bit different, and you know, I'm just going to throw this out on a weird day. So that's pretty much it for this one. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. Like always, stay safe, be safe. We'll see you next week with another. Bye.